Hey, what's going on everyone? This is Michael with Elite Custom Golf Carts. Today we're going to show you how to swap out a screen in an Evolution D5 golf cart. Alright, so really the only tool that you're going to need is just a Phillips screwdriver. I got it on a drill here to make it a little bit quicker. But we're going to start right here in your center console. So you're just going to push down on your center console to get that opened up. There's going to be two screws, one there and one there. We're going to take those two screws out and pop this out so we can get to the plugs underneath. Okay, and then you're just going to lift up right here on this locking mechanism and pull out like that. So now we're underneath here. You can see all of the plugs right here for the screen. So we're going to go ahead and unplug everything. And they only plug back in one way. So now that we got everything unplugged, we are going to take the screen off of the housing here. And to do that, there's going to be two screws on each side in the back. Alright, so once you get the four screws out, two on each side, you're just going to lift right up on the screen, and then all your cords are going to just pull out here with the screen. Okay, so we have our old screen here, and then we have a brand new screen here. The new ones now, most of them are going to come with the CarPlay feature, so this is the newer screen with the CarPlay. If it has CarPlay, it'll have a sticker on the back that says CarPlay. So what we're going to do to start installing the new screen, we're going to feed all these cords down through the hole right there in the mount. Alright, once you get everything fed through, there's these two little blades on the back. You're just going to slide the blades in right there. Okay. Alright, and before we're going to screw the screen down, we're going to make sure we get everything plugged up just in case we don't have to feed any extra cables down through there. So these are all the cables from your new screen, so you just want to make sure each one of these gets connected to the cart harness. So they really only plug up one way, so you can't really plug anything up incorrectly. This long one right here is actually going to come over and plug into the plug, this top USB plug. So if you plug a USB here, it goes directly to the screen. So now that we got everything connected, probably the best thing to do at this point would be to test the new screen. Make sure it comes on and everything's working properly. Alright, so it looks like everything's come on. Again, you'll have to go in your settings. There's a couple things you may want to change on a new screen. Alright, so the thing we like to change right here on the equalizer, we typically always set it to classical for whatever reason. That just has the best sound. Also, in general, you want to make sure that it is set to English there, so this one looks good. Also, you want to check the radio. As you can see, they come from the factory set in Asia. You just want to scroll down and select America. And that's pretty much it. Once you make sure all that's working and your settings are good, then you're going to want to put your the four screws back in your screen, and then we'll pop our center console back in and you'll be good to go. Alright, so whenever you're going to put these four screws in, you just need to make sure that the screen is lined up with the holes. So we'll start with this top one because it's a little bit easier. Alright. Once we got those four screws in, we're going to go ahead and put our center console back in. Whenever you're putting your center console back in, there's these little clips here that kind of hold it in. So you just want to make sure those clips are pushed in and flush right there. That's how you change your screen on your Evolution D5 golf cart. If you need Evolution parts and accessories, check us out online, EliteCustomGolfCarts.com. The link is in the description.